Okay, guys and girls, I am about to take off on probably one of the coolest journeys of my life. I'm heading to the tip of Australia, Cape York, and I'm driving up, towing a bike. I'm gonna tow the bike up as far as Cairns. So that's, well, it's thousands of kilometres from here. It's going to take me 3 days of non-stop driving to get there, and then from there I'm going to unhitch the bike and meeting up with friends up there. We're all meeting at Cairns. Everyone's making their own way up, and we're going to have a 2-week adventure.
Good morning, day 2. It's a little brisk. I'm 200 kilometres north of Rockhampton. I didn't get far yesterday, left too late. I'm going to try and make it up today. This is a little truck stop that everyone camps at.
So we're at Cairns. We're a bit worried about the crib track, aren't we?
There's the radar, right?
Oh no, that's no, she's too bright. There we go. Okay. So there's a lot of rain coming in.
Yep. If we don't get any sunshine, it won't dry it out. So
and the crib track.
Another day.
Yes, cannot be done in the wet.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing the crab track, unfortunately.
It's the one I'm looking forward to the most, I think.
Well, here we are. Stayed at Innisfail pub out the back last night, and it rained all night. It's still raining now. It's 8:30. I want to fold down the tent, but I want it to dry out first. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't think rain's going to stop at any time today. It literally rained all night long.
Okay, here we are. Finally a lull in the rain. We've been in Cairns now for a couple of days. We postponed our leave time. I've parked my car here. Got the bike off. She's well loaded. I'm thinking I might be ditching some of the food I've got. That backpack here is this is mainly food and supplies in there, so it should get lighter as the trip goes on. I'm leaving the drone behind, I've decided, because it's just getting ridiculous. Too much stuff.
So this is the Croc Bar in Cairns. Garb's $10 steak. He's pretty much smashed it. Here's Chris looking for a karaoke bar.
Alright, so we're travelling from Cairns. We're going to go up through here, the Daintree. Hopefully we'll get to do the crab track. Yep. If not, we'll come up here, do Bloomfields.
Yep.
Running up to Cooktown.
Yep.
Out here.
We'll stop there for a bit.
Oh yeah, stop for a bit, have a fish.
Yep.
Then out here, we're going to hook a right, go out to Cape. What is it? Benford? Melville? No.
Is that Melville through here?
Have another fish.
Yeah.
Back up through Battle Camp. All the way up through what's this forest here? This is
Melville, I think.
Oh yeah, yep. Cut across, get on the development track, shoot up to Cohen. Oh, that's better. Burgers at Cohen. Oh, what's this here? We're going to do a few doughies here.
No, that's where we should stay because it's a river.
Oh yeah.
Roadhouse. That's where we stay. Yep.
All right. And then up here.
We're going to branch off over here.
Branch off Frenchman's Track, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Frenchman's Track, Lockhart River, more fishing. Garth's going to jump in a boat or maybe a helicopter or something, go out here, have a look at the reefs.
Helicopter fishing.
Yeah. Then we come back along the Frenchman. We might even head over here to Weeper.
No.
On the way back, yep, okay, we'll stay east. Head up,
Hang on, that's the Telegraph. What is that, Scott? The
old Telegraph Road.
OTT.
OTT.
Nobody's going to fall off.
No one's going to fall off, no.
Scott, go back. So all these river crossings you can bypass
back onto the main road and go back. Just letting you know.
It won't be needed. So, okay, so up through here, the Jardine River.
Last words.
We got to cross the Jardine up here, get our photo taken.
Some tents out the back here.
Anyway, let's have a look here,
Yeah, see if we can camp in.
Garth's going up to get some coconuts. All the way up here. He's doing well. He's right up the top.
You're looking good, Scott. Yeah, beautiful, Scott. I can see the reflection in your glasses of what you're filming. How's that chick behind me? Is she looking alright? Oh no. Sorry.
The ATM.
You're using that to pervert girls. That's really bad, Scott.
That's the first time I've had this. It's freaking tastes great. Smells good. Doesn't
Yeah, so we haven't topped up on fuel. I'm thinking that might not be such a good idea, but anyway, they all seem to think we're fine. I guess it'll make the bikes a bit more buoyant and lighter to pick up too without so much fuel in them, so there is a So today is the day. This gets real now. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Woo. Oh, we're on dirt now. Oh, I thought I was following Chris, but that's actually Gary up there. Nice of him to wait for me. Geez, that's a spiky bloody vine, that one. Rise it down a bit, don't want to rock in the face. Awesome. Ooh, creek, 4-wheel drives only. This is it. Fuck! Oh. Whoa. Good one. Come out this side. Nicely done. Nice. Here we go. Oh no! Oh man, he's gonna fucking. Oh! Hey! I'm in for it. Ah, fuck! You're stronger than you look. Yep. Yeah, my boots are dry. Well, that was great fun. Oh, mud everywhere. So I think as far as style goes there, it was between me and Wayne. I'll have to watch some video of me crossing. I did flounder my legs out a couple of times. Wayne might have had better style there, plus he stood up. Oh, did he? Well, I don't know about the other guys, but that's done a lot for my confidence now for the trip. And the rest of it going forward. I know that was not very deep, but I'm glad I went out and practiced some water crossings out at, where was it, Lockyer National Park. Get a few scares under your belt and then it's not so bad. And yeah, just to be clear to everyone watching, I've never laid claim to being a expert rider, especially off-road, but I am endeavouring to become a better rider every chance I get. Chris here does all right. He's seems to have good control of his bike. There we go. Might stand up a bit for this. There's Chris in the mirrors. Don't have my sheepskin on today, so I can stand up a bit without fearing the loss of my pillow. Yeah, this is what I live for these days. This is my daughter. I gotta say, I do love my daughter so much. Anyone on the fence about having kids, do it, man. It's so rewarding. It's good when you got a supportive wife too that lets you get out and do stuff like this. So big thank you to Sienna for looking after our daughter and dogs while I'm away. Very much appreciate it, all that you do for me. Fucking how slippery is this going to be? Ugh. I get here and grade it a bit by look at that. Must be racing with Wayne. Shit, man, if this was raining, this would be just a real greasy mess. Heroes on the puddles. Hey! Oh, what do we got? A murky creek. Well, I'm happy to report I still have dry feet. So I've put some plastic bags in between my boots and my socks. And yeah, Chris didn't seem to think they'd work, but so far so good. Now I know from the sweat and shit they'll probably get a bit moist. Tell you what, the tracks I've been training on have been a lot worse than this. This is the Bloomfield track. It's fun, yeah, it's definitely fun, but it's been pretty well maintained. Stay up for a bit. Here we go, this looks interesting. Don't stop on this one. Oh, fuck me, she's slippery. Oh, Looking nice. It is a start, isn't it? That's fucking a greasy hill, that hill, wasn't it? And how's that one they concreted? Yeah. That would have been a mission in its day.
Four-wheel drive was stuck.
Yeah, yeah, I know, right?
Trying to get up that concrete path.
So this is along the Bloomfield track. No crocs. Righto, so...
Which is not going to be an issue because it's loose.
Oh, fuck me, yeah? Jesus. Holy shit. So, yeah, my chain was too tight. I busted a seal. Once I get my ass on there, though, it's going to be... He knows his way around a bike better than me.
Yeah, only I'm only doing it up on a bench.
Yeah. You want me to hold it up? Well, I guess then I can't film, can I? Oh, okay.
Holy shit. Fucking knows what he's doing.
See, I know how we get that out there.
It's Roadside Mechanics with Gary.
Yeah.
Oil seal! Chain was too tight and I put too much load on the drive seal. So we're good to go now. Car coming in. Yeah, so there you go, day 2 and it's me having bike troubles. So yeah, just recapping on what happened there, my chain was too tight for my weight and the load, like when I was off and everything was fine, but it's put extra load on the drive shaft and in turn it's busted the seal. So hopefully now the chain's been loosened, it might be a bit more forgiving on that seal. Not exactly sure how it works, but yeah, we did have that one guy pull over who does the DRZ tours. Oh shit, I gotta concentrate on the road. Yeah, the DRZ tours, and he's saying you can flip the seal around and they'll seal again. So that's interesting, it's good to know. Because we might have a bit of trouble. Oh, she's just a little one. I wonder if this is the one Garth was talking about. And no crocs in here. I don't know if we're on the right track still or not. We're on the right track? Yeah. Looking for that bloody extra gear again. That's the funny thing about these DRs. They've only got 5 speeds, 5 gears. You always look for that 6. bloody chili con carne for breakfast might have not been a good idea.
Making yourself beautiful?
I just had a shower.
Oh, did you?
Now I'm going to put the stocking on.
Nice.
Show you it's done. You see?
This place is busy.
This is Chris's official last cigarette.
So
He's not going to be happy chappy for the next few days.
Chris has made a little bit of a statement in the troopy on the way up here, which, I don't know, started years ago, months ago, weeks ago. And on the troopy, he smokes and he said, I'm giving him up this trip. I said, sure, that's good. So he's now, film him, and he's, what did you say, buddy?
That's it.
That's his last smoke. He's got no more rollies, no more tobacco.
I think you should document this because
I've got a couple more drags on it yet. Hang on, I'll tell you, light up.
he's not going to be a very happy chappy tomorrow.
No, yeah.
Lions Den, 21 trip to Cape York, done.
Never smoked since that night.
Lines in.
Bush tucker daff. Ooh, this is as promising as it's got.
Alright, so a little bit of teamwork and we got the fire going. Burning seed pods. Boys waiting for me.
Get ready to head off to Cooktown. Boys are getting a bit hot, they've been waiting for me. Dragging the chain this morning. So we checked my tyre pressure this morning at 4 psi in the back and 6 psi in the front. So I'm going to have to keep an eye out on my tyre pressures.
Cooktown pub. Boys are in there having a beer at the moment. Gave up smoking yesterday, so we'll see how his mood is today. Feels like we're headed south again. Luke Garth knows where we're going. Passing through a Aboriginal community at the moment. Garth seems to be a bit lost. You might have to pull over, consult the map in a sec, I think. Okay, so the terrain's starting to change. I just fired the camera up because I see this dirt road, sandy road up ahead. Hopefully it's not going to be too sandy. My sand skills are not very good. Look at that, wow. This is lovely coming in. Here we go. Coloured sands. Woohoo! Shit. Oh man. Bit of sandy fun. Uh-oh. Someone's down. Picked an interesting track. I think I'm going to take this one.
Yeah, I'll see on this one. Quite well caught the edge of it and just
yeah.
get in.
Okay. Oh shit.
Just grab that.
Uh-huh.
I've been picking the back end up with that. So that's pretty
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell. Pull it back a bit. There you go. I'll stay with you until you get to that harder pack. Oh, shit. Oh, I need some more magnesium. Legs cramping up. Great fun. Great fun. Oh, this is adventure. This is my first time riding on a beach. Haha. I thought they were like this, layered.
Yeah, I thought too.
You sure it's not further down?
I was here as a little kid. Maybe.
Because there's shit like that around Brisbane. Little help, please. Yeah, I've got it, but I pulled a hammy helping, pulled a muscle in my leg when I helped Greg pick it up, so I don't have any strength in it at the moment. Thanks.
Right.
Yeah, I got it now.
Don't turn too sharp.
Nah. Woohoo! Oh, fuck, man! She's loosey-goosey. Loosey-goosey! Oh, so this is my first, oh shit, first beach ride. It's a reasonably hard pack, luckily. Oh. So a little bit of my training regime was a bit of sand. Oh. So. Oh shit, better keep that foot up. So yeah, definitely paid off to do a little bit of more advanced riding techniques before coming up here. Woohoo! Oh, fucking hell. Come on, Scott, get your feet on the pegs. Hey! An old 80s series Toyota. Don't last long in the salt water. Oh shit. Reminds you you're alive. A few sandy tracks ahead of us.
The problem is when you drop it like that in the first top section, it just blows your confidence.
Yeah. Oh, another old Land Cruiser. Oh, that was a great little detour. So they're the things when you go travelling with people, you tend to do stuff you might not ordinarily do. Like I'd look at a map and wouldn't think much of that, but it was good to go out and have a quick look and ride on the beach. Muddy shit.